A block of data is stored in memory location from 2400. That means block begins from 2400. The length of the block is stored at 23FF. How many memory locations you have to handle? That is called as length. It is stored at previous memory location, that is 23FF. Write a program that counts the occurrence of data byte D9. That means how many times the number D9 occur in that block that you have to count. And store the count at 2500. That means how many times number D9 is present, that count you have to store at 2500. Here you have to perform the initialization. This is called as a counter. How many times you have to go through the block, that is called as counter. Here consecutive memory locations are there. When consecutive memory locations are there, generally it is represented with HL. So for initialization, Alexa H23FF operation code, low order data, high order data, in HL register pair you will get 23FF. At that memory location, the length is there. How many times you have to go through the block, you have to go through the memory. That counter is there. That counter is brought to register E. Move M to E. Content of E becomes 05. When a D9 number occur, you have to increment the value of the second counter by 1. Initially, that block, that bucket should be empty. When you count the number D9, when you get the number D9, put one marble in that bucket, but initially the bucket should be empty. Therefore, MVID 00. In D, you will get number 00. How many times you have to go through the memory location? 5 times. What you have to count? D9. When D9 occur, you have to put one marble in register D, one marble in that bucket D. But initial it should be 00. INX H. HL becomes 2400. From this memory location, you have to find out the number, if the number is D9 or not. Move M to A. The number from 2400 is brought to accumulator. And you have to find out the number is D9 or not. Therefore, compare immediately with D9. Operation code and what number you have to compare with D9. If both are equal, then 0 flag will set. But both are not equal, then 0 flag will not set. As not equal, don't put the marble in D. Here A2 and D9 are not equal. The condition is satisfied. Therefore, jump to the down. That means whatever instruction is at that memory location, that is to be executed. Number D9 is not found. Therefore, you have put 5 marbles in E. One number is checked. You have to throw away one marble from it. Therefore, decrement E. Marbles remaining equal to 4. When marbles become 0, then you have to stop the process. Jump not 0 up. You have to execute the instruction given at this memory location. The operation code, low order address, high order address. INX H. HL becomes 2401. Go to the memory 2401. Move M to A. Bring this number D9 to the accumulator. Compare with D9. Both are equal. Both are equal. Jump not 0, but both are equal. If condition is satisfied, then you have to take the jump to down. But here jump not 0. Both are equal. This condition is not satisfied. As condition is not satisfied, execute the next instruction. That means you have got the number D9. So you have to put one marble in the box D. That means you got one number as a D9. Then decrement E. You have compared the two numbers. Throw away one more marble from E. Now marbles remaining in E equal to 3. Jump not 0. This is not equal to 0. Therefore jump not 0 up. Execute the instruction given at 2006. INXH. Go to the next. Bring the number to accumulator. From here 2002. From here you have to bring the number to accumulator D9. Compare with D9. Both are equal. If not equal, then you have to take jump. But both are equal. Therefore, execute the next instruction. INR D. Again put one marble in that. It becomes 2. Remove one marble from E. It 2. It is not 0. Again go to INXH. It becomes 2403. It becomes 2403. Bring the number to accumulator. Compare with D9. It is not equal. So go to the down instruction. Decrement E. Throw away one marble. Still one marble is remaining. Therefore, jump not 0 up. Go to INXH. It becomes 2404. Bring the number to accumulator. Compare the number. Both are equal. As both are equal, execute the instruction INRD. Put one more marble in that box D. It becomes 3. Decrement E. It becomes 00. If not 0, then you have to jump. But now it becomes 00. That means all the memory contents are checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 memory contents are checked. You got the answer. How many times D9 is there? That is in register D. But this count you have to store at 2500. Therefore, LXI H2500. In HL register pair, you will get the number 2500. And whatever the 2500 and whatever the value present in D, that is to be transferred to M, memory location. That means to 2500. In D, 03 is there. That count of D9 is there. That is transferred to 2500. How many times the data byte D9 is present in a given block? Enter the program reset set memory 2000. Increment 21. Increment FF. Increment 23. Increment 5E. Increment 16. Increment 00. Increment 23. Increment 7E. Increment FE. Increment D9. Increment C2. Increment 0E. Increment 20. Increment 14. Increment 1D. Increment C 2 increment 0 6 increment 2 0 increment 21 increment 0 0 increment 25 increment 72 increment and 76 increment. This is how we enter the program. Now you have to enter the length of the block and the data. Reset exam memory 23FF increment length of the block 05 increment A2 increment D9 increment D9 increment 06 increment D9 and increment. Here we enter the data. Now execute the program. Reset, go and 2000. Execute the program. The result is at 2500. Reset, set memory 2500 increment. You get the number as 03. 3 times number D9 is present. Here we can check the contents of memory. Here is the program and here length of the block 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers and D9 is present 3 times. We can check the contents of registers. By this way also we can check the contents register A, register B, register C, register D where the counter of D9 is stored, register E, H, L, memory, at that memory 03 stack pointer and program counter, program end at 2016.